Hello Kartapult users! In this guide, we will learn how to implement the decreased budget strategy and automation strategy designed to optimize your Google Ad account performance. This strategy enhances performance by strategically reducing funds to your campaigns and ad group. For Google Ads, let's start by clicking on Decrease Budget under Google Ads Automation Strategies. Then enter a name for your strategy in this field. Then, to create a budget scale-down strategy, choose your campaign objective. Let's say we are selecting search. You can also filter the campaigns by name using this button. For simplicity, we are not using it for now. And then we click on Find Assets. Here you can view all active assets. And if you want to view all assets, just click on this button and then select the asset for which you want to decrease the budget. From this button, you can add newly created assets. Then we have to enter actions. We can decrease the asset's budget either by rupees or by percentage. Let's say we are selecting percentage. Enter the value over here by which we want the budget to decrease. Select the time period in which the action for decreasing the budget will be taken. We are selecting once in 2 days. In Until section, put a limit value to the budget for the selected assets. You can either enter the static value over here. Decrease in budget of all the selected asset budget will not exceed this limit value. Or if you choose dynamic, then you can assign a conditional approach to budget adjustment, ensuring that the strategy is only activated when specific criteria meets. Here we are selecting a CPP of all selected assets for last 3 days. Here, you can include or exclude today. We are selecting for last 3 days, excluding today. So after that, you can give a buffer by assigning a multiplying factor, then select time period. So until the budget decrease reaches this value, up to only that moment, this condition get triggered and budget will get decreased. Also, if you want to check your account budget, you can check from this button. And you can also put a surf limit for your account budget not to decrease the assigned value from this strategy. Then let's move to define conditions. From here, you can choose between all these metrics. Let's say we are selecting CPC for last 3 days, is greater than this value. You can also combine this condition with another condition from this button and choose between and or between these conditions. If we choose or, the strategy is triggered if either of the condition is met. And if we select and condition, then all condition must be fulfilled for the strategy to activate. For simplicity, we are selecting only one condition at this moment. You can also assign a fixed condition for your strategy from here. Then we need to decide the minimum amount spent of last 3 days. Here also you can choose between static and dynamic conditions. We are selecting static for now, and then it is necessary to assign the hours since creation attribute. If an asset duration is not greater than the assigned value here, 48 hours, it will be excluded from the strategy. Now let's move to the triggers. From here, we can select if we want to run the strategy continuously or in specific date. If we select specific date, then we need to enter start date and end date here. For now, we are selecting run continuously. Next, we need to make the activation setting. Here we can also select between run continuously, or if we want to include or exclude any day or time for which we do not want this strategy to trigger, we can do it from here. Like, I'm excluding these days and hours from here. And when you click on Publish, your strategy will get triggered, and it will decrease the budget according to the given conditions. Thanks for watching.